How to use AI to write your Facebook post captions. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can use your AI to write captions for your Facebook post. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. So first things first, you will need to create a post. And whenever you create a post, you will see there is no inbuilt AI function for your Facebook. So in that case, what you'll need to do is you'll need to copy your uh, photo. You can either copy your picture and head over to website, go to ChatGPT, and on your ChatGPT, you will need to simply paste this. My bad. You can just paste the picture. So just upload the picture from your folder and type in write a Facebook caption. And depending on the picture, it should give you your caption. You can also ask it to redo it by tapping on this try again option, or you can simply ask it to write it, do a better one. You can keep doing this until you find a caption that fits it the most. There we go. And you can paste it right here. Then you can remove the previous one. Or what you can do is also, if you already have a draft caption, you can use AI to write it again. Let me start a new chat completely for this one. I'll rewrite this caption and make it better. You can give it a prompt like this and paste your caption in here and then post it. Now AI will do its thing, and there you can see it will give you more, depending on the tone stuff. So you can write a witty one, you can post it unpolished, a polished and thoughtful one, a bold and punchy one, and more and more. So just choose the one that you like, copy it, and then you can paste it right here and post it. And that's how you use AI to write captions for Facebook. Thanks for watching. That is it for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.